hang of it though? You feel it?
Yeah.
Alright. You're in sport mode now.
And then take a right?
You got a straightaway, so you can hit the gas as hard as you want to.
You trust me?
Yeah, go ahead. There you go. It's a little long.
Where are we going?
Straight.
Bro, hell nah. Yo, on the way back, let me drive this bitch.
Look, hit the gas now. Hit the gas, go ahead.
Oh, it's not even letting her, it's not even shifting.
It should, yeah, she's not hitting the gas hard enough.
Oh.
Laser. GPS connected.
Yeah, for sure.
Where am I going?
You gotta make a U-turn wherever you want.
I am Brandon.
Next spot is literally 3 minutes down the road.
Follow you, I don't know which way, left or right.
God damn. Hell yeah.
Who's race?
Put 1,000 on it.
Hey, who's race? You're broke! You're f***ing poor!
Oh shit. Alright.
Where did chat spawn at?
Another meet, but we just left one meet. Security was already there. Now we at the next spot. This should look lame. I mean, I'm sure cars are pulling up, but...
Go ahead and scoot up at the car, boy.
You think this is GTA?
Yep.
You guys will take this bitch up. You don't got nothing, dude.
Look up that BTR Trinity.
That's a wrap for the day. It's over with.
This week has been so boring.
It has, though.
Nothing has been going on. Nothing fun.
It's been really boring, bro. I don't know. I think with the whole shit they're doing with the police and arresting people and people who are doing the takeovers and shit, I think it's just hot right now. Like, it's good chat. I think we have little kids who are
little kids in this neighborhood be fucking
talking shit or something. I don't know.
This shit gonna be brand new.
So Tommy's diff blew. We went to the junkyard. We got another 306. It did not work though. And so he ordered the Scat Pack for Cradle, but now he's ordering a 5.7 diff so he can drive it, which is boring.
Hi YouTube. Tommy POV.
6.2 Brandon.
zoom in on your car.
I mean, I think we know who won these, bro. I'm
But
sorry.
them bitches not real.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Yes, they are.
Let me see one. Give me one.
Bro, you look so
He
baffled.
has 2 pairs of Gucci
Nah, they real.
slides.
They real.
He said,
You think I buy fake shit or something? Hey, he's stepping out. Look. He put the slides on. He's stepping. Damn. With the dogs out. With the dogs out. He put me in the jail slides. Look. The jail slides. These are way more comfortable.
These are more stiff.
Bro, those are hard. No diddy. Just wait till my shit from Sheen come in, bro. It's over with. When shit from Sheen come in, it's over with. Anywhere? Just, because we're gonna find these that way. Holy shit, David and Preston and Andy. Niggas coming out dream. Yo, Tom, you cool with this? They rolling through your neighborhood like that. That's crazy.
it's okay, I do the same thing. M4?
Hey, pal.
God damn.
Hey, your shit a little toasty. Yo, chat, y'all can't smell it, but it's a little toasty in this mug. Hey, chat. No. Yeah, listen.
Yeah, do I hear a tick?
Oh! Hey, David, listen. Listen.
What happened?
No. Hey!
Not that, hold on. Wait.
That's
that Damn! I thought that was somebody else.
Chad, does he got that shit on?
He got that shit on.
Oh, yeah, my nigga stepping today. I ain't gonna lie, them things cold.
Just some slight.
He tried to be humble as hell. Just something slight. Damn.
Yo.
Chad.
My shit don't be doing that though.
Shit bad.
Somebody shit smoking?
Hish, that's Preston's.
Oh, that's for that oil house and shit. I thought my shit was bad. No cap. Yo, this nigga popped the hood quick.
Dang. Oh my
Damn.
Why my finger wet though?
Nothing really wrong with it.
Chat, there's
Nothing
oil.
really wrong with it. It's alright.
Nothing really.
He said nothing really wrong with it and finna add a quart of oil.
Nah, I'm finna add half.
There's oil
it
all
just-
over this bitch, yo.
Good as hell in that.
Hey, Blackie, I can't see you, Blackie.
Transmission fluid
Blackie.
fucking cool.
I
Blackie.
don't want to jinx nothing, so I ain't gonna
Shut the
speak
fuck
shit.
up. Where your car at?
Fuck you, bitch. That's why your car's smoking.
Be about time.
That's why you lost your keys.
My bitch.
Ooh.
That nigga the cameraman today.
My bitch running. Damn.
It's another hood vlog for the boys. What hood we in?
My hood.
Yeah, what's your hood name?
Bang,
Vice
bang.
City.
What you
Oh,
banging?
your pops here?
Vice City, huh?
Here's the motherfucker.
Where your mom at, nigga? Damn. God damn. That been sounding good though. Hey, that been dropping like a. That been dropping harder than my shit. Okay. Damn. Jesus Christ.
500 on the race, I want it. Any nigga need to line it up with that bitch, I need it. 500, and I need to see the bread or cash app, whichever one.
I need to see the bread on Cash App first.
Where did we spawn?
To the spot with so many options. But it ain't too empty right now. I mean, it's all right.
What up, brother?
Hey, man.
Grab that shit. Hey, grab that shit, bro.
Hey, man.
Still on my arm, bro.
Damn, damn it. Go ahead, we got room. Go.
You always got a fucking bottle, don't you? Yo, look at this fucking guy, huh? You can't go nowhere without a bottle, can you?
Oh, that nigga got the dime. We got that little dime with us, man.
Fucking idiots. I was driving that shit.
It was me.
Watch out.
It was me
Watch
right
how many people glaze now. Cause you put up in that bitch.
That been put up.
Did y'all speed? Did y'all speed?
Nah, I was cruising.
Bro, this motherfucker. Yo, you was gone, nigga.
Yeah, bro, you passed us.
Yeah, I know. When I seen y'all, I was like, oh shit, I should slow
It
down.
looked really
You
cool.
went-
We don't care.
Pass
It looked really
what
cool,
the
though.
fuck wrong with this nigga, bro? Whole
Bro,
time it was you.
Whole time, my whole dash was at 160.
Yeah, we passed.
Like I was sitting at 160, bro, flying. I swear to God.
Oh,
Like,
we was
Cruising at like 1.
what y'all?
I swear to God,
we
whole
passed
time.
dump cops.
Whole
Oh,
time.
I just went right on by them.
I think you're just a fast guy.
Oh no, no, sir.
He said he passes me and
Turn
says,
around.
"Oh, I gotta slow down."
No, turn around. That's fast.
Oh,
That's fast right there.
the Mustang on bags.
You got Mr. Fast back there too.
I might forget the bit.
Hey, it only gets worse.
Whoa, nigga, that shit stuck in my head.
Sitting,
That's why I said on guard. Front tire, both of them tires tucked in that bitch.
But it's slow though.
It's slow.
Hell nah. I told you earlier, 500 on the race. What do you want to do?
You gonna put that 500 against me?
This ain't no SRT breezy.
Spawn.
Oh, that's the
Where did we
second person
spawn?
I seen with the pillars.
Yo, Tommy behind the camera right now. This is a true pack. Hey, I said it last video, bro. They go everywhere together.
No
This is a real group. That's a real group.
I ain't gonna lie, this is not just a group. You know what this is? Family. We need to hear these again, chat. We need to hear these again, chat. Hey, shine a light, bro, so the camera can see.
I want to do this scene for like 17 bands.
We need to hear these. We need to hear these. God. God damn. That didn't sound crazy. God damn.
Come on now.
Well.
I'm trying to know how much that turbo costs.
Procharged G37 or Infiniti Turbo G37. Damn. Yo, Juan, they
I ain't gonna lie, yeah, they shitting on you bad,
Juan,
Juan.
they shitting on you.
Real
Shit, his man. His
You
name.
need to get your get
No.
back.
His name might be Juan too.
It actually might be.
I said his name might be Juan
His
too.
name either Juan. Look, his name either Juan or Huang Chu. Carlos, I'm sending you this video. Slicks wants to dig this, so we're gonna go find out what the fuck that's talking about. Because if you
What kind of it?
C6,
What's done to it?
My bad.
what you got?
Is it stop?
What you got?
You don't race for shit.
We don't gotta race for money.
Yeah, they cost me.
Oh, we can race for money.
He
said, what up?
How much?
What you got?
Hellcat. Hellcat.
Let me see it. You gonna pop the hood though?
No, it's $200 for that. Damn. Now if I had my girl haircut, that
You be going to track?
Yeah.
Mooresville?
Yeah. Anytime you wanna do it. I ain't got grams. I don't eat graham crackers. You gonna hold out there, count the pot up, you know what I'm saying? Let's all hold it with you. Light the slip, boom, do the race.
You for real about racing, buddy?
I run the hell out of you. Listen, I run you in reverse. Damn.
I ain't gonna lie, Christian. I ain't gonna lie.
Hell no.
Hey, he don't know what you did to the last cat. He don't know what you did to the last cat.
That nigga say he'll run you down the hill on feet. He talking shit, boy.
Always think they got that shit, boy.
Hey, man. Until he see my shit at the trip, bro, I ain't lost the one Hellcat yet. He won't be the first one.
Bro, you gotta start putting them kitty strikes on your car, bro.
Bro, I got like 5 Hellcats under my belt right now.
Man, hot shit.
Oh, hey, we gotta set that up. I ain't gonna lie. We gotta set that up.
From a dig, it's a different model. If you see my car from a dig, you know you got the real my shit. You got the real me.
Hey, chat, he doesn't know when I get my dip, I'm gonna spank his.
You got Tom. That's you. You got Tom.
Hey, look, bro, hey, he came over here.
Wait, hold on. You said what?
I ain't throwing number either.
Alright, well, can I throw a number out there? 2. But at the track. 2, so like 2. 2 too high?
I put that one.
We're talking about it?
We talking.
Yeah,
we got like, I like
ain't
lock
no point
it
in
in.
setting it up now and then you want like Thursday hits and it's like,
We on back though. Yeah, we doing back though.
I can't lock in with you right now.
Oh, okay. I got you. Well,
I don't know if I'm gonna be free on Thursday.
What's your phone number? Let me get your phone.
Don't you do it, Nelson.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bro, you got your settings, bro.
Yo,
What up, man? Just now putting it up, boy. You just threw that sticker on there?
What sticker?
For real?
What sticker?
No. Oh, nigga. I thought that bitch was a sticker. Nigga, that bitch ain't even a sticker. What is it?
No, don't wait. Damn.
Bro, see how they had to come inspect the car?
No cap, bro.
It don't even look fast right now. It don't even look fast. You know what's crazy? I was gonna put my slicks on tonight too. I was going to. Bro, you know what? Bro, that's what I'm doing, bro. And, bro, you need to buy my shit. If you don't buy my shit, I'm gonna throw it back up a problem.
Give me like 2 weeks.
2?
When I come back from California.
Man, you just ruined it. You ruined it.
That car shit is
That burned out weak as hell. Please back. Please back.
Okay.
Please back. Please. Please hit somebody, please.
Oh.